Add linear expression. These are word problems. We're going to start by number 1, swimming. The table gives the number of laps Pragita swam each week. Write an expression for the total number of laps she swam all 4 weeks. So we have the weeks here. The first week she did x plus 2 laps, the second one 3x, the third one 2x plus 1, and the fourth 4x minus 6. We need to make an expression adding all the laps she made in the 4 weeks. So we're going to start adding. X plus 2 is my first week, plus the second week, that is 3x, plus the third week, that is 2x plus 1, plus the fourth week, that is 4x minus 6. Now, the only thing we need to do now is identify the like terms, meaning the ones in x. We have 1 here, 3 here, 2x here, 4x here. If we add them up, I have 1 and 3, 4, and 2, 6, and 4, 10. We have 10x by adding the x terms. Let's see the constants now. How many constants do we have? Okay, we have 2, we have 1, and we have negative 6. So we're going to add 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. And this is my final answer for the addition of laps for the 4 weeks. On number 2, write an expression for the perimeter of this pentagon. If the perimeter is 157 units, then find x. You see that this pentagon is given in terms of x. This side is for x minus 1, this is for x minus 1. This is 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, and 3x plus 2. Remember that the perimeter is the addition of all sides. Okay, so I'm going to add all these sides. The perimeter is going to be then, in my case, 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1, plus, again, 4x minus 1, plus 3x plus 2, plus 3x plus 2, this for this one, and the last one is the same size, plus 3x plus 2. Now we are going to identify the like terms, meaning all the terms that has the letter x, 4x, 4x, 3x, 3x, 3x. Adding them up, 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, I got 17x. 17x as a combined term for all these terms in x. Let's see the numbers. Negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4, so plus 4. 17x plus 4 is my expression for the perimeter. Very good. Now, it says if the perimeter is 157 units, I have to find the value of x. Okay, then what I need to do, if this is the perimeter and is 157 units, I'm going to make it equal to 157 units. I'm going to find the x. Remember, in order to find the x, I have to leave the x in the left side and the numbers in the right side. Okay, I'm going to first get rid of the 4. The 4 is adding. I use the opposite operation by subtracting 4. Subtracting 4. Okay? So, this is going to be 17x. This goes away. And this is going to be 157 minus 4, 153. So 3x, 17x equals 153. Now, in order to eliminate this 17 that is multiplying the x, I need to do the opposite operation by dividing both sides by 17. In this way, the 17 over the 17 is 1, and the x is alone in the left side. I do division, 153 divided by 17, and I have 9. So for a perimeter equal to 157 units, x is going to be 9 units. And this is my final answer for number 2.